Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to sell a bundle in Store. So let's quickly dive into it. So for you to be able to sell a bundle, here's a quick and straightforward guide in order to get it done within a minute. So let's dive into it. So the first thing to do, which is the first step, is to make sure you log in into your Store account. So go to Store and sign in to your account using your account credentials. Then after that, you have to add a product. So from the dashboard, click the add product, then choose ticketed product as the type, since a bundle includes multiple downloadable items. Then after that, you have to add bundle details. So enter a title, a description, and price for your bundle. In the description, list what's included so buyer knows the value. Then after that, you have to upload your file. So click the upload file and add all the files that belongs in the bundle. For example, multiple PDFs, videos, or template. Then after that, you have to add a cover image, which is very important. So upload a bundle cover image or thumbnails that represent your full package. And after that, click save or polished product, and your bundle will now be live and ready for customer to buy. And that's how you can easily sell a bundle in Store. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.